Hey friends, my name is Asanka and you my friend is watching DIY with Asanka. And for those new friends who are joining my channel for the first time, consider subscribing because I'm going to teach you some cool things that you can do from your home. This weekend we are going to create this image. I hope you are going to enjoy that as well. Right friends, to pull off this trick you need some basic items. You need a tripod to stabilize your camera. If you are using a mobile phone, use the appropriate tripod for that. And you need to have an attire that suits your need. Now friends, if you don't have these items, don't worry, because whatever the equipment that you have is the best equipment for this. The version of the Photoshop is not going to matter much because most of the Photoshop versions, even the previous version, is going to have these features, even though the placement of these features might differ from Photoshop version to version. Select the background image and drag and drop and go to the layers and create a new layer. Now you should always block the background layer, so whatever the changes that you're going to do in the second layer is going to effect to the second layer that background image is there. Drag and drop the second image. Now as you can see, I have done some minor changes to my image. If I zoom in, you might be able to see a torch here. It's going to illuminate my face. Since I'm anyway going to edit the chest part of this image, so it's going to give a glow to my face. Now you need to align the top layer with the background layer. So you need to go to the opacity and reduce the opacity so that you can see both images. I'm going to take the gate here and align my image. Double click on the image and then you can move it and align it with the background image so that there is no difference between it. So now what you're going to do is increase the opacity, and now what you're going to do is you are going to remove the chest part of it. Select the eraser tool. So first of all, I'm going to start with the larger part. So I'm just going to delete this first one, and you need to delete the entire chest with this now. Now go to the clone stamp tool, and by pressing the Alt key in your keyboard and just doing one piece at a time, it's going to remove the torch. Don't rush this part. You can select any color grading here and do it. So I'm going to just do a basic color grading to my image. I'm going to go to this color balance tweaks so that it's going to just change these values till you pop up the highlights of this image. This is how the end product is going to look like. Right friends, we have come to the end of this video. Do try this trick at home. Hope that you have liked it. If you like the content of it, click the like button. And till next time, be safe.